Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Resolving importerror, no module named _tkinter in Python 3. Introduction. The _tkinter module is a critical component for Python GUI applications, as it provides a wrapper around the tk-GUI toolkit. If you encounter the importerror, no module named _tkinter error, it means that the required tkinter module is not installed on your Python environment. This tutorial will guide you through the process of resolving this issue by installing the Python 3 tk package. Step 1. Confirm the error. When you encounter the importerror, it might look something like this. Step 2. Install Python 3 tk package. To resolve this issue, you need to install the tkinter package for Python 3. Depending on your operating system, the installation command may vary. Tkinter is typically included with the standard Python distribution for Windows. Ensure that you have a complete Python installation. Step 3. Verify installation. After the installation is complete, you can verify that tkinter is installed correctly by running a simple Python script. Save this script as, for example, tkinter_test.py and run it. If tkinter is installed correctly, a window should appear with the text tkinter is installed successfully. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to resolve the importerror, no module named _tkinter issue and successfully use tkinter for developing graphical user interfaces in Python 3. Ensure that you have the appropriate permissions to install packages on your system, and choose the installation method that matches your operating system. ChatGPT.